Hey, what's up? Sam here. So today we are going to be reviewing the Redmi K50 Gaming Edition. Yesterday I've already done a review and unboxing and the first look of the Redmi K50 Gaming. All colors. You can check it out. And for this video, I will be reviewing three most important factors that I think the most important for gaming phones. First is the thermal control. Is the heat dissipation good? Second is the sound quality. It's tuned by JBL, of course, but is it any good? In this video, we will find out. And third, I guess, is those gaming user experience, like the haptic, the X-axis haptic motor is any good, and also those physical keys, physical shoulder keys for gaming, is it better than those virtual keys like on Red Magic phones? By the way, I have the Red Magic 7, so stay tuned for that, which will be released tonight. A few hours later on my channel, so if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Hey, without further ado, let's get started, shall we? The answer to benchmark is almost 1 million. So as you can see, the CPU score, GPU, MEM, and UX, and the highest one is like 44.1 Celsius degree. 44.1 Celsius degree seems quite nice, not bad. And this is the camera. Speaking of camera, let me take some shots. Alright, that's my simple hands-on of the Redmi K50 gaming phone. I think it's a decent gaming phone. First of all, it's much cooler than its predecessor, the Redmi K40 gaming. I mean, literally cooler. You see, when I ran into the benchmark, it didn't get too hot and shut down by itself. It just kept running. If it has a really cooling system, plus the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1, the gaming experience would be great. Though I haven't, had fun with some games, but I would imagine it would be great. And the second, it's a gaming phone. It's so gaming, so you can see it has a really good sound quality, and also you see the designs, the shoulder keys. Also, it has a great haptical motor. The X-axis leaning mode is great. I would say it's strong. You can see when they're tapping, I can feel it's vibrating. Yes, of course, there are other features I didn't cover in this video. If you are interested to know, maybe I will get one of these, because I'm a gaming person now. But is it any better than other gaming phones like the Red Magic 7? No worries. I will do that today. By the way, I will upload the Red Magic 7 gaming phone tonight, so stay tuned for that if you are interested. Yeah, that's pretty much about it. I'm Samuel. See you in the next one.